Hi friends, welcome to Talent Sprint's Banker's Choice program. In this session, we are going to discuss a very important part from the quantitative aptitude section of bank exams, and this is called number series. Generally, the weightage given to number series in bank exams is 5 marks, and this topic tests the observation and analytical skills of the candidate. A number series is nothing but a collection of numbers or a ordered sequence of numbers where each number or each term follows a predefined rule. And based on this rule, we can find out the succeeding terms of the given series. The most important part in solving a number series question is identifying the logic or the predefined rule behind the given series. Once we understand the logic, then getting the answer becomes really very easy. And since there are infinitely many logics in which the number series question can be given, there is no definite formula or method to get the answer here. So I can say that solving a number series question is based on getting the right idea at the right time, since it is completely based on the perception of the candidate. So in this session, we shall take up various questions from this topic of number series and try to understand what is the logic behind them. Before we take up any questions from this topic, let me mention one very important point regarding number series. Whenever we solve questions from number series in the exam, make sure that you don't spend more than 30 to 45 seconds in getting the answer. That means if you are able to get the answer within 45 seconds, well and good. Otherwise, simply leave the question and move to the next one. Why? Because there is no definite method here to get the answer. So if you are not able to solve it in the first 30-45 seconds, then there is no point in wasting further time on that. So make sure that you restrict yourselves to 45 seconds while solving questions from number series. Generally, we get only two types of questions from number series. One is where we have to find out the missing number, and the other one is where we have to find out the wrong number. Now, in case of a missing number, a series of 5 or 6 terms is given to us, and we are supposed to find out the next one. So that can be done based on the logic behind the series. So we have to just try and understand what is the predefined rule or the logic in that series and find out the next term. And in the second case, where we have to find out a wrong number, a series of again 5 or 6 numbers is given where one of the numbers does not fit in the series. Here again, we first need to understand the logic behind the series and then identify which of the given terms is wrong. Generally, finding out the missing number is easier compared to finding out the wrong number in the series. But as I've already mentioned, whatever be the type of question, you restrict yourselves to 30 to 45 seconds. If you get the answer, well and good. Otherwise, simply leave the question and move to the next one.